Watching India Today and Business Today's continuing coverage of the booster shot budget. I'm joined now in the studios by Business Today Television's Managing Editor Siddharth Zarabi. Udayan Mukherjee, our Global Business Editor, joins us from London. Let me take you through the top 10 takeaways of Nirmala Sitharaman's fourth budget presented in Parliament today. Let's start straight from the top. First, she's been steady and consistent when it comes to taxation. Most importantly, on personal income taxes, which is what a lot of people look out for. No changes in any of the income tax slabs. Number two, income tax returns can be modified within 2 years. And this is useful because very often there may be an oversight which you now have the option of being able to modify. Point number three, government recognizes cryptos in some senses by taxing them. There is no crypto law yet. It was a bit of a chicken and egg situation, but what the government has done is that they will be taxing all transactions on cryptos at 30%. RBI to launch a digital rupee later this year. The government hasn't fully explained the nature of the digital currency. They've defined what all will get covered under crypto taxation, but this is something which hasn't been tried out at a pilot level yet, so we don't know how it will roll out, but the government's announced that there will be a digital rupee this year. The government talks about 60 lakh new jobs being created in 5 years, but the key challenge there is to be able to walk the talk. There will be 5G auctions in this fiscal year. Between April and March next year, there will be 5G auctions with the hope of launching 5G services. 400 new Vande Bharat trains to be introduced in 3 years. One of the other key announcements by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. And in an attempt to try and give a booster dose to electric mobility, incentives for battery swapping and a new policy which really hopefully encourages more people to switch to EVs, and also in the electronic mobility sector, incentives for those companies. And lastly, 68% of defense buying to be from DESI firms in an attempt to push the idea of an Atmanirbhar Bharat when it comes to weapon purchases.